Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to quickly calculate the totals in Excel using the fastest shortcut key in 2026. So whether you work with the budgets, school data or reports, this trick will save you tons of time. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch the Excel worksheet. Once you are here, you just have to simply look for that particular area or the cell where you want to do the total. So as you can see, I have these numbers ready. So let me just increase the size of it so that it will be visible to you. So here, what you need to do is you need to simply select the cell where you want the total to appear. This usually below a list of the numbers or next to the row that you want to add up. So here, as you can see, I want to do it over here in the cell, so that's why I've selected it. Now once you have selected it, simply press alt plus is equal to on your windows, or you can just simply press command plus shift plus T on Mac. So what this is going to do is it is going to instantly select the numbers above or beside the cell, and it also applies the sum function automatically, as you can see it over here. Now Excel is going to highlight the cells it thinks that you want to add. So if the selection looks correct to you, you just have to do nothing but to just hit the enter button on your keyboard and you are done. The sum appears instantly, as you can see it over here. If I increase its size and if I make it just highlight it, so now you can apply it to the multiple rows or multiple columns like this. You just have to do it again and again and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Excel and productivity tips, and comment below if you want some other tricks on any of the other formulas like average or count numbers. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.